Welcome, I'll be showing in this video how to install VMware Workstation in Windows 10. Let's go to VMware Workstation website and select Download. The download option for Windows is the one that we need. We need to open the file and wait for the installation to begin. Click Next. Let's accept the terms by clicking in this box. Click Next. Click Next again. Here is the option to join the VMware customer experience. In my case, I will say no and click Next. This option is to create a shortcut on the desktop and menu. I will accept by clicking Next. Click Install now. Click Finish or License if you have one. Let's go to Menu now to open VMware. As you can see, this is the option here to put the license key. But in my case, I will use the 30 days trial for free. And click Yes here. Click Finish. VMware has been installed in your computer. We're using the evaluation period for 30 days. In the next video, we're going to create a virtual machine. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.